hello guys! Since sumisweldo na ako, bumili ako ng mga gamit for my husband. So, he doesn't know this. So, first, I bought a belt from Bailery. Okay, wow! May lalagyan siya guys. Tapos, ito kasi yung gusto ng asawa ko. Yung old belt niya, kinuha pa namin yun sa kapatid ko. Bali, hiniram niya lang talaga yon, tapos binigay na ng kapatid ko. Ang bait ng kapatid ko, no? Estudyante pa lang, pero namimigay na. Okay. So, wow, naka-plastic pa siya lahat, guys. Amazing. Tapos, pakita ko sa inyo yung, ang ganda ng review nito. O, tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Grabe, napaka-chic ng design, guys. Oh. Look guys, tingnan nyo. Napaka-chic ng design. Pang mayaman yung aura niya guys. Oh. Tapos, wow! So nice! I know my husband will love this. So, papakita ko mamaya yung reaction niya. So, ay, ang galing. Baby. Ang galing niya guys. Tapos, meron siyang ganito guys, oh, for lock. Ang dali niya lang i-lock, guys. Ay, I'm sure my loved one will love it. My loved one. My one and only. Charot. My one and only will love this. Are you excited, baby? I'm excited to see your reaction.